Yeah.
Are we ready for the trophy tune? Let me see down up the mic now. Alright. Alright, Ricky Trooper.
Yo, Japan. Okay, everything fine. Yo, it's right now. Me, I play some tune to make Ono know some wicked on him. See? I just want him more. Matterhorn, what are we gonna play? We're gonna play hardcore. We're gonna play DJ fucker. Just tell me where we're gonna play. Let me know. Hardcore. So where's the Japan? We're gonna play hardcore. Okay. All right. I'm gonna play hardcore. It's mercy. It's okay. Matterhorn, you're going good from night, but you pop down enough time in your blood clot round, you know. See? And yes, I jump up, and I scream. People, I'm gonna play CN Success. Okay? You're dead pussy, we gone. Yo, I go.
Father be praised, ah yes, and all his enemies them scatter.
Yo, Matterhorn, yeah.
Trooper him run the long. Skim, boyas, we are the
your blood clot, your Matterhorn,
we are the champions.
Matterhorn, you're
we
dead.
are the champions, my friends. Skim, boyas, you're done dead already.
Bumper clot.
All right.
I am winning the dance. Oh, should I be dead? You are the one who is Shine. Matterhorn, not afraid of none of them, boy. Ricky Trooper, you should play a tune like this. If you was playing Jaro, you would have played a tune like this. But you're not playing Jaro, you pop down. You should have played a tune like this.
Mentally bad boy ready for kill. Right now, Tony Matterhorn, I'm going like you can't play the original bad boy Johnny Clark. No rude boy.
You should have played a tune like this.
Yeah, man, Tony Matterhorn, champion youth, man. You no fear, man.
Have no fear. Matterhorn, lighter. Japan. Matterhorn, no fear. No. Put up.
All right. First tune.
You're just there.
First tune. Who took the first tune feature? All right. 誰が1曲目のチューンフィーチューン取ったか No sound 静かに Let me see just the hands, all right? 手だけ All right, Ause, Ricky Trooper take the tune feature.
Blood clot, yo.
All right, hands down. Ause, Tony Matterhorn take the tune feature.
The fuck are you, Matterhorn? Sorry.
Watch it.
Trooper.
All right,
Trooper.
first tune feature goes to Ricky Trooper.
Japan people. I can counteract that song, you know. I can counteract it. But I'm not going to counteract that song. I am better than you, Matterhorn. I'm going to play Robert French now. I'm better than you, Matterhorn. I'm motherfucking better than you.
The toughest sound round town, you better know that.
Matterhorn, I'm better than you.
And I ever sing this one for die them in a dance hall.
Yo, Japan, yeah.
And they no rough like we.
Yeah, you're dead, Matterhorn.
Like we.
Robert French.
Again, well. Put it up a ling, put it up a ling,
Matterhorn, yo.
To the rough, like we.
Pull up.
Chopper. Not no go on for that tune.
Bust the place.
Watch how you bust the place, Chopper. Watch
the
out.
musical wave.
Watch out now, Chopper.
William style.
Make we done that pussy.
Select up because I know so we
Yeah.
run things. Matterhorn.
Watch it.
Matterhorn.
Turn on the light.
Champion man.
the light.
Like the US Army, we will creep up on you. In a terrible form, we come to murder you. Matterhorn will make you wanna cry. Sound boy, you run away and hide. Be careful. Matterhorn will murder you like a thief in the night. Kill them.
All right. Second tune feature. Same as before. Saxton G. All right. Hey, this is how I'm told to do it. You know what I'm saying? Ready now? All right. Who said Ricky Trooper take the tune feature this time?
Yeah. Blood clot.
All right. Who said Tony Matterhorn take this one?
Even.
All right. Even.
Matterhorn.
Ricky Trooper 1, Tony Matterhorn 1.
Why you play? Channel. See? About stealing. I'm gonna play a channel that I make from Kilimanjaro. Yes. Pick up your dub, them and got your blood clot. Yeah, your pop down.
Sound of sound, scene and class of class, and I want to say, sound
One Matterhorn!
Proof to be the #1 sound in the dance hall. There's not another sound can test. I say we try them in a half an hour.
Matterhorn, let me tell you something. Pick up your blood clot up them and go on, Matterhorn.
It's worse when it comes to 1 hour.
Yo, John, what tell him?
And Trooper leads the way.
Yo, Matterhorn, yeah.
Hear me sound, boy. Pick up your dabs and throw it away.
You blood clot, yo.
Trooper.
My third song, me gonna play now, pussy wall. Yo.
You play a 3 song. You play a 3 song. You win the first one, I win the second one, and I win that one.
All right.
So it's 3, 2, 1.
All right, people. Here we go on now. See? Matterhorn, me not follow you. No sound never give me no blood clot problem in a dance. Me a bad selector. Barrington Levy, wagwan. Barrington Levy. Yo, listen this rhythm. I use this rhythm and mash up last year World Blood Clot Clash. Matterhorn, me no follow people. Me am gonna counteract your tune. Yo, jump on! Yo!
No sound, can't give us no problem.
Yo, Baba Class, yo!
No sound.
Chopper. No sound can give you problem.
Yo, Japan. Yo, tell us something. Love one. What the blood clot me for play for you now? What me for play? What me for play? What must I play for you? Yeah, hear me. Some saying Sanchez, some saying this. Matterhorn, from night, he play a bag of tune and say he playing his anthem. I don't play no anthem with me from night. I'm gonna play my anthem now. Okay, this is my anthem. Listen my anthem. Listen my anthem. I love you all. Anywhere it go, you've been a nice set of people. This is my anthem. Listen my anthem. Listen my anthem. Listen.
Super trooper beats are gonna blind me, but I won't feel
You turn on the light.
like I always
You're
do.
my anthem.
'Cause somewhere in the cloud there's you.
Bomba clot. You light up this blood clot. Yo, me anthem. Oh, me anthem. Ricky Trooper anthem. Ricky Blood, yo.
I was sick and tired of it when I called you
Yo.
last night from God.
Who are player?
All I do is eat.
This is my anthem. Listen who is playing for you in Japan tonight. I love you, blood clot all. I love you. Yeah, which side a player? Who a player? Who a player? Who a player? Who?
Good tune, Trooper. Good tune. Good tune. But Trooper, Super Trooper, I am going to play something that you wouldn't expect me to play. I could have played my Shined, but you see, true, you changed the old vibes of the Clash, you know. We were playing reggae, dancehall, and you went and played some.
Me not playing a DJ tune in a pussy.
Boogie bagger, boogie bagger, boogie bagger.
Suck your mum.
Look at this, trooper.
Yo, Maximus a gladiator, hotter than a radiator, representing
Watch out, Japan!
It's all about Tony
Watch out!
He's a Johnny Killer.
Look on this pussy!
He's
You know what?
He's your man,
Watch out!
It's all about killing sound.
Matterhorn, original sound, Matterhorn, original sound, champion.
Come on, dead in a session, dead if you ever try to this Tony Matterhorn, dead all of the dead in a
Pull up! MC time.
All right. Hold on. That was the fifth and final tune for tune. Hold on. All right. Same as before, such the shot. If you say that Ricky Trooper. All right. If you think that Tony Matterhorn take it, let me see the hand them now.
It looks sticky, Trooper.
Matterhorn, me beat you, man. You know,
No, it looks sticky.
Not sticky nothing.
It's sticky.
Hold
Do
on.
it again.
Hold on. All right. More you could get a dong right now. Who say one more tune now? All right, ready now?
All right, hear me now.
One last.
Hold on.
Now play the one if you don't agree to it.
People.
Come in why you're not.
People. Okay. This is not my decision to change it. All right? Them say 5 tune, I played 5 songs for you. See? So may I say? All right, I'm a sportsman from night. Me could have said no, anywhere it go. See? So Matterhorn, all the while, people, when a selector play after you, you can't do anything. Matterhorn, show me say a bad selector. Come and flip the kind. You play first and then me play the second tune. Come and do it, so. Let me see if you're bad. Play the final tune and then me play the final tune. All fair. It's all fair.
I agree to that terms. So, if me win. If you win, you win. No hard feelings.
No Matterhorn, no hard feelings.
Okay.
Just music.
Remember, you seven play. Right.
Hold on.
Yo, everything, Chris, man.
Hold on. You all right with it?
Yeah, we're all right.
We're all right. No,
You're
we're
sure
shake
it's
and
all
panic. Right?
You're
Yeah,
sure
we're
it's
shake
all
and
right?
panic. We're gonna shake and panic.
Yeah, Matterhorn.
That means
One more tune, Deska.
anything.
One more tune.
Yeah.
It close.
One more tune.
Yes, Matterhorn. One more song.
Anything.
Yeah, you all right?
I'm cool with it, man.
You all right?
I'm a sportsman.
Yeah,
A sportsman. Yeah.
All right,
We lead the dance all night. In catch up in our last half. I know nothing but guess what?
Hey yo, you know I'm respect the youth, yeah.
Follow the
Enough blossy and done. See? No more mentally ill. Tony, done the place, Matterhorn. Okay, shine it reloaded. You're dead. I found out what I've been missing. Always on the run. But now here comes Matterhorn.
Good night.
People. Yo. Listen me. That's Shined. Okay? Shined, good artist. But I'm going to play a bigger artist than Shined. Somebody who build reggae music thing. Okay? Gonna play Junior Biles. Gonna play. Yo, Matterhorn, your blood clot dead. So may I say? Yeah, Matterhorn. I'm gonna play a bigger song than that shit. Listen to me.
Yo, I King Selassie time now.
Yo, I respect Shining. I have a lot of Shining. But this is a big song also. All who know Jamaican dancehall culture. This is Junior Boy.
It's a big thing about South Trooper.
Matterhorn, look there, your blood clot, yo. Turn on the light. Yo, Matterhorn, look there. Yo.
You seek of only vanity and no love for a sound trooper sound.
My tune bigger than your tune.
You're dead.
My tune bigger than him tune.
Dead.
Alright.
It's blood clot.
You're not winning it yet.
You're dead.
My tune get a bigger fan.
Me love on Japan. Let her hear you say trooper.
Let her hear you say Matterhorn. See
no,
that?
No, I want.
See that? You control your side.
No, it's not no sighting. Don't bias, man.
Make the judge. Make the judge. Judge, you.
Alright, judgment time, no. Alright. Alright, judgment time, no. Alright. The final decision. Only hands. Tedake, alright? Alright, who play first? Tony Matterhorn, alright. I will say Tony Matterhorn take it. Let me see the anthem now. Alright. I will say Ricky Trooper take it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
I want to tell me no.
Big up Trooper.
Hold on.
Now, give me that quick. Japan, tell them, give me.
And guess what?
We have.
Go tell nobody, say you kill nobody.
Yo, we have.
Quiet. Matterhorn.
Come and beat your
Matterhorn.
But you win.
Matterhorn. Listen to me.
Now, big up.
People, listen to me. Panther, come here. Come here, Panther. People. This guy here, Panther. Yo, he's my true friend. Okay? He beat me a lot of time. He fuck him up a lot of time. See? Matterhorn, I'm going to tell you something. Earlier today, you said something to me. You said, Trooper, it's going to be sticky. But if you win, you deserve it.
You win. Yeah.
So I say, Matterhorn, you know why? The year could not finish like this. You won 2 World Class trophies. And Panther, you won World Class in New York. It's fair I win this one. I deserve it. I deserve it.
Big up Trooper.
I deserve this blood clot.
You just know say.
Yo, hold on. Beanie Man, diss me. After I fight with Beanie Man career over 7 years. Me fight against Bounty Killer, them fire gunshot off of me at Jamaica, all kind of shit. Beanie Man diss me. Tell Beanie Man I love him. Make Beanie Man listen to this pan. Beanie Man, I love you. You try to kill me, but me name Trooper. I love you, Beanie Man, more life itself. Anything I have in a life, and you, Beanie Man, make me have it. So me I say, you're Sizzler and the rest of the artists. Beanie Man, I have nothing against you. But good triumph over evil. Give me the blood clot.
All right. Mantle 2003. The cup will come from the Dancehall Queen 2002 Junko. All right. The champion is Ricky Trooper. All right. Big congratulations to Ricky Trooper, Sin. All right. Yo, you want to play some tune?
People,
all right.
I can't play no more. I'm feeling joy.
Yo, play some big tune now. Let's play some tune now.
Sanchez.
Put the tune
right. All right, Sanchez.
Put the tune right this side and play.
All right, stay here, son. Me bad. The World Class champion dead. And the 2-time World Class champion dead too. You're dead.
Trooper. Me want you get that one. You need one long time, I'm a friend. Me win whole heap. Time for you get one, man. Fuck that, man.
And Japan, for the record, Matterhorn lead the dance all night. You just win by one tune. One. Don't talk the truth.
Yo, Matterhorn.
No, I want you to say the truth, make the whole world hear.
Matterhorn. Yo, we were in UK, and Mighty Crown was beating your ass left, right, center. And you just play couple tune and a tune for tune and win. So it's not nothing if you lead all the way. And then me win your blood clot. What am I play now? Sanchez. All right, I'm going to fight Sanchez, you know. Love on no blood clot. Don't touch me, man. I want phone call. I want phone. I need phone to call blood clot Jamaica. Oh, Sanchez. Yo. Jaro, blood clot. Yo, me love Kilimanjaro. See? Big up Papa Jaro anywhere in there. Yo, yeah, me play this song. Say, cool, man, you can't tell me nothing. Me the winner. Me feel stop play. One you. Me just stop. I'm gonna play Brian and Tony Gold. Let me play Sanchez. Matterhorn, me have a whole heap of big tune. I'm gonna show them my class. Me have big tune. This is Brian and Tony Gold. I'm gonna play my sound trooper. Be up.
His reply brought
Be a record, behave.
Though he tried his best to hide
Be
the
a
pain he felt.
Japan, I love you.
When sound trooper played, he realized, yes. You know some boy if you want to, yes.
I can.
Play out.
Yo, Matterhorn, I'm bomba clad back.
There no sounds.
Mary a trooper, but me have the baddest tune for tune them. Me.
Push the wall. Come with clash. Me not done clash. Go over there now. Fun for time. Come with clash. Fun for time.
Alright. You want to see bad tune for tune me trooper for 5 minutes? Friendly. Watch this. Watch this.
Yeah, go over there. Friendly. Give them brata. AJ Young. You're big. Big up Mighty Crown. Mighty Crown. Yo. Mighty Crown bad Japanese sound. See? Respect Mighty Crown. Anywhere in the Sammy Simon. Big up China Irish promotion. And my Jamaican friend them. Big up on yourself. Saying. Oh? Yeah man, kill them 2 times. Panther, come on, play a tune man. Me kill a blood clot. Come here. Me could kill that tune. I have the counteraction for that song. But remember this. Me are the baddest. Listen to that song. Listen to this. Listen.
Kill them again.
Yo, Leroy, you don't what?
We and them no
fight. I'm going to tell you blood clot something. I'm going to lock off your blood clot too. Again.
Hey, some trooper gonna kill them again.
Trooper, you know say no can't play Panther tune for tune. And me run tune for tune. A blood clot do no. What do you know? What do you, Trooper? Wait.
You know.
Me and Panther, yo. Trooper, you're the boy.
Hear me now. A black cat sound is the general.
Thank God. Come in, my brother Trooper.
Yo. Panther. Everybody have that song. This song is specially done for Ricky Trooper. I write over the lyrics and give berries. Listen to this clot, yeah. Suck your bad, Bubba, you idiot.
Oh, Trooper. You have the original style.
Yo, Chopper, listen to this song. Listen, kid, listen.
I want to explain to you, yes, that tonight me come to church.
Tonight, murder, listen to this.
Wanna confess to you, yes.
Listen to.
That's why they call me the
respect, serial killer.
I've got no
Panther, don't pull up a tune, and don't pull up a tune. Yo, listen, Japan.
And if ever my sound is given a chance, we'll better run.
Listen.
For cover. Now, people,
what you expect of me? What do you expect of me? What? Should I stand in the middle of the dance and kick out some teeth, yeah? So that I can get your full attention.
Wanna explain to you, yes.
Pull up.
You want me kill that tune? Me have the most tune for tune. One sound play Panther tune for tune is Jaro. No other sound. Yeah, me baller. Play this blood clot Trooper.
Yeah, well, big up all crew. Saying all black cat crew, man like Panther and man like Poopa.
Japan,
and
big
man like
tune.
Scotty, New York crew.
Big tune.
Christian and Massive. Big up all Canada crew. Saying, yeah, me baller in the place. Aye.
Big tune.
Stand on it, boy.
Yeah, me baller. Ricky Trooper, what else?
See, said I fell in love with Black Cat sound.
Turn up. Trooper and wipe off a little trophy. The world class run big sort of blood clot.
Yo. Welcome to the World Clash Arena. You just got a ring. Matterhorn got 2. Me and Matterhorn are the only 2 selectors who win 2 World Clash. When I win the first one, I win the next one at Canada same year. Matterhorn the only selector win 2 in a 1 blood clot here. Welcome, you just blood clot. You play Cuscus, you're dead, pussy wall. You're dead. Michael was killing blood clot.
Chopper, me have a talk. You see them boy there, some of them selector boy run up and down like some girl, I change man. I change sound, like them a fool. Sound Trooper, them talk this and that, but it doesn't make your own sound and sound Trooper. I feel sound, a Ricky Trooper sound, Chris Class sound, Keith sound, Grammy Kid sound, Spanish sound, the whole world sound. Gunsling one of their feature to the world, Michael Rose. Now what take them boy, them a pose, now all flood. What take them, shut up them noise.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yo, Michael Rose, Panther, go sit down. Japan, love
this is Trooper sound, Trooper sound.
Yo.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yo, who I play piano? Yo, the king.
Sound Trooper sound.
The king. The king.
I say you boom right here and you bounce over here, Sound Trooper.
Your blood clot, yo. Pull up the tune, pull up.
Trooper, go on now. I can't play my tune for tune. That's why. Drop on. First clash, keep drop on. You don't understand 100. And we love on the same way. Don't understand what. He know he can't kill Panther. Long time Trooper don't win a dance. Listen.
Just say nah.
Play look young gang. All right, some of the house, I all about Spain.
Yo, Panther, yeah.
That tape you have
yo, when you play blood clot lotion, you play new lotion.
No cold spoon now, mouth.
Yo, listen.
When Trooper say we hardcore, rugged and rough. We all about from some man say we not giving up.
You know.
Hardcore.
Trooper. Yo, Trooper killer. What are you going to play,
Matterhorn? Extreme. You know we are.
Love on in Japan. I'm going to play the Sanchez and then me cool out.
Nice. Not giving up.
Panther, low enough. Wait, man.
Low enough. Last year, not giving up. Sound Trooper is a sound of honor.
Pull up the blood clot. Yo.
Trooper.
Come in, Matterhorn.
Time run out. Panther. Right now,